Hey everybody. So I've been getting a lot of questions about the Flex Seal on my boat, so I thought I'd give a little update. So this is what it looks like after a year, and it doesn't feel like it's flaking off or anything, and it's still a bit see-through. So anyway, I thought I'd take it out to the water and we'll see if it still leaks. So let me get this strap down and we'll head out to the pond. Okay, so we're out here at the pond and let's get the boat out there. Let me get it in the water and I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, so we're out in the pond and you can see this is still just bone dry. Well, there's a little bit there. It's paddling around. But it is not leaking like it was before I Flex Sealed this. I apologize for the wind. As you can see, the boat still floats. Alright, so that's the update on the boat. It's looking good. I'm happy with it. It's been a year. I haven't had to reapply any. This thing sits upside down. That's how I store it. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.